Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about generations of computers. Generation in computer talk is a step in technology. A generation of a computer explains the advancements in technological issues like software advancements and hardware changes. So a generation explains what are the hardware and software technological advancements came in a particular time and what are the changes from time to time in the IT industry. From the past to till today, there are so many changes came in the IT industry of computer development. Till today, there are 5 computer generations. They are known as first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. In that, first generation period was 1942 to 1955. In each and every generation, you have to remember that what are the processors and what was the processor they used and what input and output devices they used and what were the computers they used in that particular period. You have to concentrate on these 3 things. What was the processor they used and what were the input and output devices they used and what were the computer systems in that particular period of time. First generation period was 1942 to 1955 and this represents processor. They used in this generation vacuum tubes as the main electronic component which is responsible for processing of data. And these computers were physically very large in size and required large rooms for installation. This is the major drawback of using these computers in that generation. They were very large in size and they need large rooms for installation. And magnetic drums, here one more point, memory is also very important, where they stored the data, storage area, which was they used. So they used in this generation magnetic drums were the memory. And these computers produced large amount of heat due to large consumptions of electricity. Okay, heat because of consumption of more electricity. And they were relatively unreliable because why they are unreliable means they could produce inaccurate results sometimes. Inaccurate means generally computer produces accurate, but in the first generation they were not reliable because of sometimes they used to produce inaccurate results. Okay, input was based on punched cards and paper tape. This is very important. What they used input and output using punched cards and paper tape. So obviously when they are very large in size and large rooms were required for the installation, and so many disadvantages were there using these first generation computers, and they performed slow input output operations. It leads to slow performance because of all these drawbacks. And limited programming capabilities and only machine and assembly languages were developed in this. Machine and assembly languages were developed. What is machine? Which is in the form of zeros and ones. And the computers had limited commercial use. The first generation computers were very limited for commercial use. There was no commercial use. And in that generation, UNIVAC and ENIAC, these are the computer names. Okay, these computers were used as the first generation computer devices. So this is about first generation computers and which one they used: processor, vacuum tubes, and punched cards and paper tapes as input output, and the memory, magnetic drums. So these concepts are very important. which processor they used, and what were the input output devices, and what was the memory they used to store the data. This is about first generation computers. Thank you.